Hey, this video is going to be loud. It's about exhaust. Careful with the headphones. You're welcome.
What is going on, guys? It is Sean, and in this video we're going to talk about exhaust sound. Now, to start out, I'm going to show some clips of a stock VQ, the VQ35 being the motor that is in the Nissan 350Zs, like the one I'm standing next to right now, and the Infiniti G35s, which I used to have one of, so we'll be playing some of those clips. So the first clip I'm going to play for you here is the stock Infiniti G35 or 350Z, they sound the same, the stock exhaust. Alright, now, obviously sometimes you have to have a little fun when modifying your car, even if you're not doing it the right way. I'll take that. So this is what the muffler delete on the VQ35 sounds like. So now the next sound clip I'm going to show is with a eBay $200 cheap exhaust system. They're alright. Here's that clip. And then what I really wanted to focus today on is this system that I have on this car. This is an Invidia Gemini Catback on a 350Z or G35 here. And I brought my cheap condenser microphone out here to see if we can get some really high quality sounds of what this exhaust sounds like, both just revving, which I'll do here, and also on the road. We'll drive up this back road here. Alright, so that was a pretty nice sound. Those pops are kind of unexpected, but they sound really nice. Overall, this is a great exhaust. You can find these ranging anywhere from around $700 to $1,000, and I think it is totally worth it. I do definitely think this is one of the best exhausts you can get for your VQ. Now I'm going to kind of drive up this road. I'll rip it to around 5,000 each gear, just so you can really hear what's going on. So let's do it. Alright, so now we're back. You got to hear how great that sounded ripping. Oh, it's so nice. And also, as you can hear right now at idle, it is really quiet. If you like that, then sweet. If you don't, then eh. But that is one thing about this exhaust. It is so loud when you're high in RPM, but when you're at idle, it's actually pretty quiet. I'll stop talking here for a second. Yeah, like it's quiet enough that I can speak over it to the camera and not be concerned. So yeah, pretty quiet. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this little exhaust comparison of the VQ35 with stock exhaust, no muffler, cheap $200 eBay exhaust, and your $1,000 good exhaust system name brand. I love this Invidia Gemini, and yeah, it's just a great exhaust, so I wanted to make a nice video telling you guys all about it.
So guys, thanks so much for watching this nice and noisy video. I really do love the Invidia Gemini on this car, but all those steps from stock to muffler delete to $200 exhaust to $1,000 exhaust, you know, wherever you are on the spectrum, it is what it is. Sometimes the money isn't there, and a muffler delete's just kind of a fun thing to do. I've been there, but this exhaust system is sick. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it at all or you were informed, please hit that thumbs up button. Say hi in the comment section below. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, guys, I'm just Sean being Sean. Just being me. Just be you.